Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Roku TV without remote and Wi-Fi. Let's go. Connect the keyboard to your TV via USB, wired or wireless. Open Settings, Network, set up connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network. When your TV and your phone are connected to the same network, you will be able to use the virtual remote control. If you don't have Wi-Fi, then use hotspot. Open phone settings, find hotspot. Turn on hotspot. Choose your hotspot. Enter password. Open Roku app. Choose your Roku TV, remote, zone. If you are using a Roku device, you can use the remote control of the main TV to control the Roku. Go to the settings of the main TV and turn on the HDMI CEC. That's it. Now we know how to use Roku TV without remote and Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.